Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare and zip archives on Lenovo Tab P11. To do this, you'll need to open a rare app I shown you previously on how to download it, locate your files and click on them. Then click on the arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options. You can customize them however you like, but it's also fine to just leave it as it is. I'm just gonna go with browse to select different designation, and right here let's unpack them in the movies. Click on OK, then on OK again, and here's a file that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.